Best quotes of Albert Einstein. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Life is like riding a bicycle. You keep your balance, you must keep moving. Look deep into the nature, then you will understand everything better. Strive not to be success, but rather to be valued. Floating the infinite, the universe and human stupidity. I am not yet completely sure about the universe. It is not that I am so smart, it's just that I stay with problem longer. Imagination is everything, it is preview of life coming attraction. Peace cannot be cut by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. Precision is the more powerful force on earth, it can move mountains. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again by expecting different results. If I had an hour to solve a problem, I did spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about the solution.